So let's have some fun with some polish. I'm going to use all 7 of these colors in one design. So what I would do is work on one hand at a time. I probably would put the colors on each finger and then go into another color, and that'll allow it time to dry. On here, I'm going to work at 2 at a time, so you'll see how I pause in some places because I'm wanting the polish to set up. So what I'm going to do is have everything ready. All my polishes are open. I have my little detailer here. I am going to put some polish remover in this little damping dish. I'm going to be wiping my brush in between. So I'll have this on the side. So we're going to start with Me Unicorn. So you're just going to use your imagination. There's no wrong or right way with this. So if you work on one hand and you're going through them, you could actually work on all 10 at once. It'll allow it time to dry. This does dry very rapid, so you won't have to wait too long. Now I'm going to go into No Lemon, No Melon. And this I'm not going to overlap, so I could go ahead and go in and not wait too long with application. And maybe a little right here. Once you go through all 10, depending on the temperature in the room, if it's warmer, it's going to dry a lot faster. If it's a little cooler, I'd wait like a minute in between. If it's warmer, you probably could go through all of them, wait like 30 seconds and go from there. Okay, now I'm going to go into Tongues Out, and you're just going to place it wherever you feel like will look nice, wherever you're inspired to put it. Okay. So you don't need to be very picky with it. And let's say you're not doing it on all 10. Just give it time for it to set up. It dries very fast. If you look closely right here, you could see how it's dry, and you could see what you just put on, how it's wet. So that'll give you an indication of when you could layer it. As soon as it's dull like that, you could go in with another layer. I'm going to come in again with a little more of Me Unicorn. And I'm going to layer that with another color. Okay, so far I like this. I am going to come in with No Lemons, No Melons again, like right here, and maybe a little higher here. I'm going to add a little bit more of Me Unicorn right here and up at the tip. So what I'm going to do is take my liner brush, and I have my polishes open. I'm going to come in, and let's come in and hit it really quick. You're going to work fast because it's polished. So you'll come in right here and fill this in. And then you're immediately going to rinse it off. Okay, let's come in with the green. So I'm going to come in and get this here. Alrighty. Really, I just want it around my cuticle area, so I think I want to come in here with the green as well. Now let's say you get a little bit passed on the skin. I didn't happen to do it there, but I'll show you right now. I'll put a little blue there. So let's say you come in here and you get a little on the skin. I love this little tool for this. You dip it in your polish remover and you come in right here and slowly wipe it down. See how clean this makes it? I love this little tool. So make sure you clean off your brush and your polish remover. I'm going to come up with some pink on this side. So let's come in here. And it dries so fast, I have to work fast. Okay, let's come in here and clean this really quick with a little polish remover, little attention to detail. Okay, so we'll wait just 1 minute. So now I'm going to go in with Plantonic and Subtitles. These are kind of sheer colors, so it's going to layer over other colors to create other colors. So if you have blue and I put pink over it, you're going to get kind of a purple. I'm gonna come right here, add some more there. Okay, you're gonna go through all the ones you're going to do and allow it to dry. And as you can see, it's still wet here. Let me point this out. You could see what I just did, and you could see the texture of the ones that are dry. So you'll know what to go over. Do not go over the shiny ones until it looks matte. because you'll mix the color or kind of texture it. Not really smooth like you're wanting. It'll look a little bumpy because it's already starting to dry. So make sure you're not going over the shiny ones, more of the dull ones for your next coat. So I'm going to take Subtitles and I'm going to come over here and right there, maybe a little right here. So I'm going to come in with a little bit of Me Unicorn and I'm going to use this side of my brush so it's a little thinner. Add a little blue, a little bit of blue there. And I think I'll come in with my pink. Tongues out. And all I'm doing is just filling in some negative spaces. There we go. I like the way this looks so far. I'm gonna do one more of No Lemons, No Melon. Right here. Okay, I like the color combo, so I'm gonna let this dry a little, and then I'm gonna go in with my final look. So now I'm gonna come in with Lace Choir and Happy Helmet. I'm going to do Lace Choir first. So let's pick it up here, and I just get it on my brush, come right here and do a couple lines. Clean your brush right away. Come back again, get it on your brush, come through here. I might do a third, two. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with Happy Helmet. Okay, let's say if you wanna lighten one up, you could have a little polish remover on it and see how you go over it. I kind of didn't want that there, so see how I kind of got it off a little? Cool trick. Okay, let's let this dry. I might thin this out a little. There we go. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry like 1 minute before I put my top coat on. So now I'm going to go into my top coat. I like to start at my cuticle and bring it down because it starts to dry so fast. Works better to start cuticle to free edge. Okay, so I'm gonna get it on one side of the brush, start at my cuticle, bring it down. Let me go a little bit more right here. You have to move kind of fast, it dries pretty quick. If you feel like you got anywhere, you could always come in and wipe it. So all 4 are completed. I'm not sure if you would like all 4 on all of them. You could also pick a color and come in there and polish your other nails that, but I think it'd be adorable on toenails as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have fun creating your looks.